Welcome everyone to my channel. Here we are building a 8.8 Ford rear diff, and I got this unboxing video. So I had a lot of trouble finding these bushings at the store. I do not recommend that you remove these unless you absolutely have to. If yours are destroyed, then yeah, it's time to get rid of them. But if yours are even halfway decent, leave them alone. Do not take them out until you have the new ones in your hand. So here we are. I found them. Had to wait for them in the mail, but got these from Summit Racing. This is the original Ford part number. Come on. One day I'm gonna invest in a tripod and a camera. M4050B 8.8 axle install kit. Wait, what the hell did I buy? Oh my god. Okay. I thought I bought tools. I wasn't sure if I got the bushings, but there they are. Here's one. It comes with a friction modifier, I believe. Yep, sure does. So you get a can of a little tube of friction modifier with it. You get all brand new stuff from Ford. So this should be good for another 15 years. And then these look like they're made out of copper. That's pretty badass. Very cool. Anyway, I got 3 sets because I don't want to have to keep waiting for them every time I need to. As you can tell, I build these quite often. I got a set of let me get some stuff out of the way. These are not Ford Racing, these are Yukon brand, but they're still really good. 373 gears. There's your ratio right there. No, that's not a ratio, that's some other number. Yeah, okay. So that's 8.8. On camera, it doesn't really look like it, but those are 8s. 8.8, 373. 41 by 11. What that means is you got 41 teeth on the ring and 11 teeth on the pinion, which, there it is. You got 11 teeth right there. And when you do the math, you end up with the number 3.73. What that means is that for every 3.73 rotations of the pinion, you're going to get 1 full rotation of the axle assembly, the differential, the carrier bearing, the carrier assembly, which translates into the tires. So anyway, these things are gonna slide right in there. Everything else is pretty much already done. The brakes I will be painting yellow. So I'm gonna do one more video when this is all finished, just to give you guys one final look before my buddy comes by and picks these up. I'm building this for someone else, so hopefully, probably, that ought to make them very, very happy. So there's plenty of videos out there, very good, very high quality videos. My favorite is the LMR video that shows you how to do the install on these gears, so I'm not going to bother with that. If you need help or assistance or any tips and tricks on how to install these, LMR has a really good video. So I'm not even going to try to make one because it's not going to be quite as good. So anyway, that's all I got. I'm going to press these in and call it a night. It is dark outside. It's past my bedtime. So I'm going to get to it. You guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.